Hey everybody that's a fan of these speakers right here, line 6. So I've got this, I think it's the L2T model, and I've been having trouble with it. It's the Stage Source L2T. So I've been having trouble every now and then playing live. I would get this awful rattle sound in it, and I thought it was the speaker distorting. It was more prevalent in low notes, low frequencies. It was driving me nuts, and I tried changing out my battery in my acoustic guitar, and I switched it from active to passive. Tried a bunch of stuff, and I thought it was just, I was overdriving, the channel. That wasn't it. So I tried a lot of things. I did a lot of things. But this morning, I'm not going to do a live demonstration because it's still kind of early. But this morning, I plugged it up and started hitting the low notes and really trying to get it to duplicate what I was hearing live. And in doing so, I stood behind the speaker, and it seemed like it was coming from over here. So I pulled this handle up, okay, and it clicked into place, and then I tried it, and I thought that it was gone. So I was like, no, that can't be it. But so I closed it back, into place, and I did it. Sure enough, I heard the rattle that I was hearing. I popped it back open into place, played the low notes again, and guess what? The rattling's gone. So I don't know if anybody else is having this issue, but it's been driving me nuts, and I think that was it. I mean, I plugged it back up and tried it, and I haven't heard it since. So I think it's just this. It's just rattling against the encasing here of the handle, and that was what was happening on my end. So I just wanted to share that in case anybody else is having the same problems. All right.